front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings and choosing Notifications and Status Bar. Then tap on Manage Notifications and select one of your apps, for example, Booking.com. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all the notifications from Booking are now blocked. If you wish to unlock them, just click at the same switcher, but you can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!